June 4th, 2019, just out with the canoe again. Can never be satisfied, always trying to come up with something different. So here I am sitting in the middle of the canoe again for the most part. But I've got a little different arrangement for my trolling motors, and I've got my 10-foot power pole that I'm going to try to use tonight to see how that works. So I'll slow this thing up and try to drop it. Well, looks like she bit in. I had some momentum going, and so you can see that it's anchored me relatively okay. I might have to put some more weight on it, time will tell. But so far, it looks like it might be something that I can utilize. The time before when I tried the anchor, I had so much momentum that it drug before it finally caught. But so what I'm going to do is I'm using the trolling motor to hold myself still in the current, and then I'm going to drop the anchor to see if that makes a difference. I believe it did. That's a good lesson learned to make sure to give your spear a fighting chance. It can't be traveling. It's already got to be kind of hit the mark and stay there. Yeah, I'm happy enough with the performance of this thing. Going down the river especially to your next spot. So this is with just the one unit driving, and I would think I could be content with this speed. Going upriver isn't near as fast, but at least it sure beats paddling. Again, that's just using the one drive. One thing I do need to improve is the frictional grip between my extender and the trolling motor, but once I get that better designed, I think it'll be pretty handy.